Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to install the swipe keyboard on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to text like this by swiping on the keyboard, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up Play Store. Here you're searching for the following keyboard called SwiftKey. So this is the keyboard which you need to install. So it's a Microsoft SwiftKey AI keyboard. Now once that's installed, you want to press Home, bring down the notification bar, go into Settings, scroll down until you see General Management, then find Keyboard, which is here, or Keyboard List and Default. Tap on this. Here make sure your Microsoft Swift keyboard is switched on, and you want to make sure in your default keyboard Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard is there. Now press Home, open your text message, and here you can go ahead and type in using your keyboard. If you want to switch back to your Samsung keyboard, you can go ahead and tap on this keyboard item here, and then tap on Samsung keyboard, and this will switch back to normal keyboard. And there you go guys, that is how to swipe to text on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.